Now I'm going to teach how to sound precisely the Tibetan numbers. In Tibetan called Tanga or the Anki, either one is okay, especially who are beginner. So let's start from 1 to 10. The number 1, say in Tibetan, Chik, and number 2, Ni, and 3, Sum, 4, Shi, 5, Nga, 6, Tuk, 7, Tu, 8, Ke, 9, Ku, 10, Chu. These are the 1 to 10. Let's other one 10 to maybe okay the 100. 10 Chu, 20 Nishu, 30 Sumchu, 40 Shipchu, 50 Ngapchu, 60 Tukchu, 70 Tunju, 80 Kechu, 90 Kupchu, 100 Kathampa. This 10 to 100. Let's place values from 1 to 100 million. How to pronounce or how to say in Tibetan from start to, let's start 1 to 100 million. Okay, 1 Chik, 10 Chu, 100 Kya, 1,000 Tong, 10,000 Tichik, 100,000 Bumchik, million Saya, 10 million Chewa, 100 million Dongchur. So Tibetan call Chik, Chu, Kya, Tong, Ti, Bum, Saya, Chewa. It means 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, and million, and 10 million, and 100 million. So like that. So this is just short the Tibetan number, especially for who are learning beginners. Thank you for today. That's all.